Guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter PwnDFU mode on your A5 devices. So the A5 devices are the iPod Touch 5th generation, iPhone 4S, iPad mini 1, iPad 2 and iPad 3. So this does require external hardware. You will need a Raspberry Pi Pico, an OTG cable, a micro USB to USB-A cable and an external power bank. I will have links for all the parts in the description and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So if you go over to the legacy jailbreak subreddit, you will see this post, working checkmate A5 on the Raspberry Pi Pico, and what you want to do is click on read more and you see this edit here, click on it and this will take you to a mega page and you just need to press download. There we go, and I am going to unzip it and drag and drop it to the desktop. Now we have 3UF2 files which will go onto the Pico. So now I am going to show you how to set it up. So I plugged in my iPod Touch 5th generation, which is a device I am going to be using, and make sure it is in DFU mode. As you can see, it's in DFU mode. So I'm going to talk about the Pi Pico. This is the board. As you can see, it has a micro USB port. You want to get the one that has the micro USB port. You can also get the USB-C variant. They both work. You just need to get the right one. You'll also need a micro USB cable and an OTG cable which has a USB plug, micro USB in and micro USB, and you'll also need an external power bank. This is a more detailed photo of the setup for the Pi Pico. Both micro USB and USB-C variants will work and no soldering is required if you have the OTG cable. Clones will also work. Another close-up photo of the Pico. So to see the CPID version of your device, which is very important, you need to click on the Alt or option and click on system information, and from here you want to click on USB, and right here where you see Apple mobile device DFU mode, you will see the CPID. So the CPID for my device is 8942 and I can disconnect it and connect the Pico, and make sure that you press the boot SEL button. There we go, and now I'm going to connect it to my Mac, and there we go, it appeared as an USB flash drive. So I can open the checkmate Pico and drag and drop the 8942.uf2 file onto it, and now it should disconnect and disconnect it from the computer. Now I am going to use the OTG cable, so I can connect the device to the cable right here. There we go, and plug the sticking end of the Pico into here. There we go, and connect power last so I can use the cable, and I'm going to plug it into my external power bank. There we go, and now I am going to plug it in, and the light should blink rapidly infinitely. So let's see. There we go. And now I can disconnect the device and plug it in, and as you can see is now in PwnDFU mode. So to verify, I can open a terminal window and drag and drop the restore.sh from legacy iOS kit, and there we go. It says pwned checkmate, so this is all good. And thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.